While some people are complaining about AI, other people are using it to make a ton of money online, and that's what I want to show you here today. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and for the past 3 years, I've been learning about making money online and sharing everything I learned here on my YouTube channel with you. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. I want to show you the top 3 ways that I've found to make money online with AI. So all 3 of these methods work. Whichever one you want to choose is up to you, but I'm going to cover them in detail and show you what I think is easiest at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around. So without further ado, let's just jump into it and I'll reveal all 3 methods right now. So the first thing I want you to do is comment yes on this video right now if you are ready to start letting AI make money for you. That's essentially the point, right? That's the whole purpose of AI. We want machines to do our jobs. We want to do less work, spend more time having fun and making more money. So this is how we're going to do it. The most important step here, no matter which of these methods you choose, is to grab the tools that you're going to need to get it done. So of course, everyone's heard of ChatGPT. You can use it for free, but the truth is there's a ton of other AI tools out there, and you can get access to them at profitpassively.com. So if you come here to profitpassively.com, you'll be able to download my free list of the highest paying offers to promote right now. So what does that mean? Well, there's a lot of companies online that will pay you just to talk about their company. And in this case, these are AI tools. So this is going to be in the last method here, affiliate marketing, which is, in my opinion, the easiest method. So like I said, at the end of the video, I'll explain how that works. But I want to start with the most common and most simple ways. So if you're just getting started, you have no experience, one of the easiest things you can do is actually freelancing. And you don't even really have to do it because, again, we're going to be letting AI do most of the work. So how do you do that? It's simple. Just go sign up at Fiverr, Upwork, Kwork, any of these freelancing sites. So if we come here to Fiverr and we take a look, right? If we just search writer, you can see here that people are charging anywhere from 50 to 80, from 15, sorry, to 50 to 80 to $125 to write content. You see, I'll write high quality SEO website content, I'll write a stellar article for your blog, etc., right? And you can come down here and there's all sorts of price ranges of people doing this from anywhere from $5 to $100 or more. So all you have to do is come set up one of these ads, right? It'll take you maybe 15 minutes, a half an hour to sign up at Fiverr, or you could do it the same thing here at Upwork, right? It really doesn't matter which of these sites you choose, but you'll come here to Fiverr, you'll make a profile saying, hey, I'll write content for your blog. For this one, for example, for $50, right? And you could undercut everybody. You could even set this for $5 since you're going to let AI do it. So then what happens, somebody will come here to your page, right? They'll want to order your gig. So they'll read about it and they'll say, hey, I need an article for my website about, you know, whatever it is they sell. Maybe they sell shoes. Maybe they have a shoe website. So then you'll just come here and you'll tell ChatGPT, write me an 800-word article about the best sneakers for playing basketball. Right? And ideally, you'd give this more information. You'd converse with your client and find out exactly what they're selling. So, you know, maybe they're selling secondhand Air Jordans, for example. Maybe they have a website doing that. So about the best sneakers for playing basketball, which are Air Jordans. Talk about how buying Jordans secondhand is a smart move because you can save a lot of money, right? And again, you can give this a prompt with as much information as you want. And I recommend you do, because the more specific you are, the better content you're going to get out. So, but let's just go with something simple here, right? So we'll click that. It's going to make me log in again just a second. So we'll go ahead and log in. But you get the idea. We're literally going to have a robot do this work for us. And, whoops. Just a second here, having problems logging in. So once I get logged in here, I'll show you what I mean. You literally just type a few sentences, and most of you have probably seen how ChatGPT works by now, right? So you're going to say, write me an 800-word blog post about why buying Jordan's second hand can save you a bunch of money. Talk about why Jordans are one of the most popular basketball shoes, right? And I haven't played basketball since middle school, so I have no idea what the good basketball shoes are now. I'm just using this as an example, but there you go. We told it what to write about. It's already given us a title: Score Big Savings. Why buying secondhand Jordans makes perfect sense. And there you go. You can see it use cents as in the money instead of the traditional run, right? It's a pun, it's a play on words. So that's something that would have taken a human writer several minutes probably to come up with at a minimum, right? Even just this catchy title. But here it says, look, the introduction is 100 words. Then Jordan the Legacy, right? It's going to talk about Michael Jordan for 150 words. Then we get unparalleled quality and craftsmanship. So then we have a paragraph talking about why the shoes are so good, unique styles, how you can get different styles, costs and savings. And then it goes on to conclude, right, that Jordans are a cultural phenomenon, they have timeless appeal, and by buying secondhand Jordans, you can enjoy substantial cost savings while still owning a piece of sneaker history, right? So this is pretty good content already. If you wanted to go spend 5 or 10 minutes rewording it or making it fit your client, you could do that. But pretty much we're ready to go, right? It took a couple minutes because I had to re-log in, but in all reality, this was accomplished in under a minute. So all we have to do is copy that, come back to Fiverr, and now if we are the seller, we just simply deliver this to the client. And look, you can see right here, her gig is for 500 words and she's charging $50, and we just generated 800 words. Well, I didn't count them, but that's what we asked. 800 words in a couple of seconds. So how many times do you think you could do this per day, to make as much money as you need, right? Pretty simple stuff. So that's the first one, freelancing. And again, you can go to Fiverr, Upwork, Kwork, and there's a bunch of others you can Google and find out. So what's the second method? Well, the second most popular method that people like to try, especially people who are new, is dropshipping, right? Again, because it's easy. So what is dropshipping? I'm sure you've heard of Shopify. There's another platform you can use called Groovekart, which I'm going to show you here in a second, so you can get an idea of just how easy this stuff really is. So say you don't want to do services, right? The problem with services, it takes a long time. You have to go back and forth with the client, right? You have to go make this ad. Then you actually have to work for the client and create this content. So let's assume we don't want to do that and we are going to create a dropshipping store. So I use this tool. It's called Groovekart, and you can actually get access to it on the list, the free list of tools at profitpassively.com. You can grab this tool for free, and what this tool is going to do is you click this button, add new store, and by the way, you can do this completely for free. You don't have to spend any money on this to set up your dropshipping store. You click this button, add new store, and it creates a store for you. So if I click this button here, storefront, it takes me to this generic store that has been set up for me instantly. So if you take a look at this, all we really have to do is come here and change the products, right? We can put our own image up here instead of shop women. We can put whatever we're going to sell, right? You can make a t-shirt store, a backpack store, a face mask store. You could sell all this, right? You could drop ship anything. But what I want to show you is how to do this using AI. So you've got Groovekart, you clicked add new store, you have your store set up. Now all you have to do is create the products, and we can actually use a tool called Midjourney to do that. So again, we are going to use AI. So what I'm going to do is prompt this with the prompt imagine, and then so let's say we want to start a clothing company, right? We want to sell t-shirts and hats and stuff like that. So we're going to need some patterns. Well, what's a good topic? Let's just pick something random. Say you wanted a tropical theme. Maybe you're in Florida, so you want to sell flamingo shirts, like tourist type of stuff. So you'll say, create or imagine a pattern of festive flamingos against a white background. And let's get a little more creative now. A pattern of festive flamingos drinking cocktails against a white background. And then we can even go one step further, and we could give this pattern more detail. Let's say a eye-catching pattern of festive flamingos drinking cocktails against a white background. So we'll hit enter, and it's going to take this tool a few minutes. It's not quite instant, but just about, right? In a minute or two, we're going to have, so here's what I did before. This is another image I've created. And basically when you give it a prompt, you can see here the last one I did, a humanoid robot holding an axe with glowing purple eyes against a white background. So it gave me 4 options, right? So then if I click one of these buttons down here, it's going to create a higher quality image of whichever of these 4 I like best. So you can see here it's 31% done, 46% done, creating my flamingo image here. So we'll let it wrap up and then we'll pick which one we like best. So there, it's just finished up here. You can see that there's 4 different, it looks like one, but these are 4 different patterns of, as you can see, flamingos and cocktails. Now, I don't love these, so we could actually redo this. We could say, imagine a pattern. Imagine, let's see, how can we get these? Imagine a pattern that might be on a Hawaiian shirt that has 3D hyper realistic flamingos drinking cocktails against a white background. Right, so we'll try again, and it's that simple, but the point is what we're going to do here is then just select whichever one of these patterns we like best, and then all we have to do is essentially set up a print-on-demand store, right? I showed you how to set up a store with one click here, right? Inside of Groovekart, add new store, it comes up with this store. So now all you literally have to do is sync up a dropshipping platform. There's dozens of them, and they actually show you how to do that within in the instructions here. It's a little more than I can cover in this video, but literally you're just going to go to another website, enter your email and your details, and then all you have to do is upload your pattern here. So here we have, these look a little bit better, right? And you can do this with anything you want. You can do this with baseball, you can do this with aliens, you can do this with cars, whatever you're into, right? It doesn't matter. So let's say we like, they're all pretty similar, but let's go with this second one. So we'll click U2. And what this is going to do is create a higher quality, larger version of this image, right? So now all we have to do is right click on this, save it, and then upload it to our print-on-demand store. And now suddenly we can sell t-shirts, tank tops, backpacks, face masks, hats, shoes, anything you want with your custom design on it, or in this case AI's custom design, because AI did it for you. Now imagine how much you'd have to pay somebody if you went and hired a graphic design artist to do this, right? And then think about how long it's going to take them. You're going to have to submit the order, wait a few days or weeks for them to actually make the art and give it back to you. But in this case, AI was able to do this for us in just a couple seconds. So this is something you could completely set up in a single day. In one day you could set up a drop shipping store that sells products with your own content on it, again, that you generated with AI. So now for my favorite. This is the one, I've tried all of these different things. I've tried selling on Fiverr, I've done a bit of drop shipping, made a few sales, but by far my favorite is affiliate marketing, because it's the easiest method. Because with this, you don't have to do any of the work that I just showed you in these 2 other options, right? With freelancing, you got to do work for other people. With drop shipping, you're still going to have to come and set up your store, which is going to take a while, right? Then you're going to have to go find the products you're going to sell, get the best prices on them from your supplier, right? Even though they're being drop shipped, you're going to have to find which ones are quality, which ones are not, which ones are going to take forever with shipping, and which ones are going to get to your customers on time, right? It can be a lot. So the reason I like affiliate marketing is because literally all you have to do is talk about whatever it is you're promoting and post it online. That's it. So let me show you what I mean. Here's how it works. So here you can see one of the tools I promote here is called Jasper. This is an AI writing tool. Again, it's available on my free list at profitpassively.com. But you can see here that I have 25 people signed up and paying for this tool monthly, which earns me $181. Not bad considering all I had to do was post a video, and now I'm getting $150, $181 every single month recurring, right? But that's just one offer. There's dozens of offers you can promote. So here's another one. You can see here month to date, $241 from promoting this offer. So that's already what, $300 and something, almost $400 just from 2 offers. And again, there's dozens of them on this checklist that you can get at profitpassively.com. So once you put your email in here, this is what you'll get access to. It's a spreadsheet I made of, again, my favorite affiliate offers to promote. And they're my favorite because they're either high paying or they're interesting or they're trending and a lot of people are interested in them. But this is a list of all the stuff that I either currently promote, have promoted in the past, or think has the potential that you could promote it. So again, there's just a bunch of different AI tools, marketing tools, different services on here, press release services. It's all stuff that people who want to run an online business or want to make money online are going to be interested in. So again, we can use AI for this. We can use both of the tools I showed you. We can use ChatGPT. Here you can see I've had it write me automated email sequences. I've had it write me video scripts for TikTok. I've had it write me blog posts. So it really doesn't matter how you want to get your content out there. I recommend using short form video because in my experience, it's going to bring by far the biggest amount of traffic in the shortest amount of time. And I'm talking, I get sometimes 10, 20, 30,000 views on a video in as little as 24 to 48 hours. And it's just that simple. So all you have to do, again, is come to profitpassively.com, download the checklist, pick out 1 or 2 or 5 or 10 of these tools that you want to promote, sign up for their affiliate program, right? It takes a couple minutes here, it says right here, register as an affiliate. You just got to put your email in, put your PayPal so they know where to pay you, and that's it. They're going to give you a link, right? If I scroll down here, you can see this one here. Share this referral link with your friends and followers. So literally all I have to do is copy this. I can head over to Facebook. I can post on Facebook. I can send it out in an email to my email list. I can create a TikTok video, again, using AI. I can use ChatGPT here. I could also come to one of the tools on this list. Somewhere on here there are AI video tools, right? So I could use an AI video tool to just create AI videos, but it doesn't matter. Essentially, the more clicks you get on this, so you could see 5,877 clicks, which means 961 of those 5,087 people signed up for the free trial. So out of the 961 people who took the free trial, there are currently 25 paying customers. Now the thing about this is I haven't even promoted or talked about this offer, Jasper, in probably a year at this point, at least 6 months. So what I'm trying to show you here is that work I did 6 months or a year ago, and when I say work, right, it was creating a video. I probably created a couple videos. So let's say I put 3 hours of my time into talking about this tool. And by investing 3 hours of my time, if I come here to payouts, you can see here that for at least the past year, see, over a year ago, for at least the past year, I've been getting paid every single month. Sometimes it's a little bit, right? Sometimes $43, sometimes $156, whatever. But the point is that this took 3 hours of time. 3 hours of my time is paying me over $100 a month or over $50 a month every single month for over a year. So that's why I like affiliate marketing. That's why, in my opinion, it's by far the easiest method, because you don't have to do any of this stuff, right? You don't have to work for other people, right? Like you do when you're freelancing. You don't have to set up a whole store and all this craziness. You literally just have to come here, copy one single link, right? Come to your dashboard, copy one link, and share it. And then that's it. People buy and you make money online. So those are the top 3 AI side hustles that anyone with a laptop can get started on today. And when I say today, I mean you could literally make a sale by the end of the day and have commissions pending. Now, they're not going to pay you the same day, right? It's probably going to be 30 days before you actually get that paycheck, but you can actually get these sales racking up in your account so that you can have these unpaid earnings. And then when the end of the month comes around, boom, you get your payout, right? Like clockwork. And the more of these offers that you can stack into what you promote, right? The more, there's over a dozen of it, 2 dozen, and actually some of these links are actually links to other affiliate networks, meaning they have hundreds, if not thousands of offers you can promote. So even if you go and you promote a different one of these every single day, well, over time that can really add up, right? So you have this one paying you 50 or $100 a month, you've got this one paying you 100, 250 bucks a month, right? And you just go down the list and repeat this process. So that about wraps up what I have for you today, the top 3 AI side hustles that anyone with a laptop can start on today. So like I said, the place to get started is profitpassively.com. Now, after you grab this checklist, I'm going to give you an offer to join my Profit Passively membership, and that's where I upload more exclusive content. So the first thing you're going to get instantly if you take me up on joining my Passively membership is you're going to get all of the courses I've created in the past, right? So what is that? That's an SEO course that's going to tell you how to rank your websites on Google, how to actually create websites and get them ranked on Google. I have a CTR manipulation training in there, which means if you don't want to wait around for SEO, CTR manipulation is click-through rate manipulation. So I'm going to show you how to actually manipulate the traffic that goes to your website so that Google thinks it's top shelf and sends you a whole bunch more traffic. So what else is in there? I have a tutorial on creating Facebook stories that can make you money. And then I have my most popular training, which is how to make money on TikTok in 15 minutes a day, right? If you can spend 15 minutes per day creating TikTok videos, I can show you how to turn that into hundreds, if not thousands of dollars commission. And you get access to all of that instantly when you join my Profit Passively membership, and it's going to cost you less than you probably spent on your last meal out. So pretty much a no-brainer, but then on top of that, you also get all of the content I'm going to be putting out in the future. I hope to be putting out about a video per week. For those of you who don't know, I live out of an RV and travel around the country, so there might be a week here and there where I'm just not able to upload a video, but pretty much you're going to get a new video every week showing you how to do something that's going to help you make money online. And then finally, you're going to get access to my private Discord chat, so if you have questions for me, you can just pop them in there. I'd be happy to answer them for you in as timely a manner as possible, usually within 24 hours. And also you'll get to access everybody else in the community who joins the chat so that we can all help each other make more money online. So other than that, that is the end of the video. If you haven't already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below so you see my content when it comes out in the future. If you want to make sure you see it, make sure to click the bell because YouTube is constantly changing their algorithm. So if you want my stuff actually coming up in your feed, you actually want to be notified when I upload content, and then click the bell. And other than that, I will catch you on the next video.